ፊደላት እንማማራለን። A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for grapes, H is for house, I is for ice cream, J is for juice, K is for kit, L is for lion, M is for moon, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for penguin, Q is for queen, R is for rainbow, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for wally, X is for X-ray, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching. ስለተከታተላችሁኝ ከልብ አመሰግናለሁ። የዩቲዩብ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የደወል ምልክቱን ጫኑ። እንደዚህ አዳዲስ ቪዲዮዎች ብለህ ሲጫን ኖቲፊኬሽን ወደ እናንተ ይደርሳል። እንዲሁም በቀጥታ ላይቭ ላይ ጎግል ሚት እና ዙም ላይ መማር የምትፈልጉ ወይም ደግሞ ወላጆች ልጆቻቸውን ማስተማር የምትፈልጉ ካላችሁ ከሀገር ውስጥም ከሀገር ውጭም ያላችሁ ማለት ነው በስልክ ቁጥር 0971 900 600 ዋትስአፕ ቴሌግራም ላይ ታገኙ ትችላላችሁ።